this is the definition of someone who can be truly unselfish, free from selfishness. Because Krishna is described that he's aptakam and atmaram, satisfied and blissful, pleased within himself, and he has no desire to fulfill. He's not pushed or forced or impelled by any lack or desire within himself, or unfulfilled ambition or want within himself. He's satisfied and not, so he can actually be a person who's only interested in others, he can truly care for others, because he has no personal interest to take or to receive or to exploit anyone. So when one is full in himself, or full in Krishna consciousness, then he will have no personal interest, and he can help others be interested in them.